Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought something different from the gadgets. This is an hair dryer from Philips, which I brought for my sister. As in India, every year we celebrate Raksha Bandhan, so I brought for her. Just for the sake of unboxing, I just want to do it. Whether the product is undamaged, like it's not damaged or something like that. Recently, I saw a video in which one of the tech guide has shown that he got a fake product, and now the MI is not allowing him. They are not agreed that the product is fake from their side. Luckily, he made a video of those, so he has an evidence with it. Even I will recommend whenever you buy something online, just make a video of that, which will be an evidence for you that the product was sealed properly, and the thing which you got from inside is the thing which they shared with you. After unboxing, fine, let's go further. Okay, so this is a Philips hair dryer. Cool. It's in blue color. Yeah, it should be fine. What's there? It's an 1000 watts, something related to speed, compact, some I don't know what to say about it, but yeah. And what's about warranty? Warranty? Warranty. Nothing. But the cost is 775. I bought this from Amazon at 575. So 200 rupees offer on occasion of Raksha Bandhan and Independence Day. So good. Okay. There's nothing in box. Wow, cool. This and okay, some manual and fine. And what's this? Okay, the head of the blower. Oh, okay, popped up. Okay, head of the blower over here. Cool. That's it. Nothing is there. 2 pin hair dryer. Okay, and there is off, on, like speed 1 and 2. That's it. Nothing extra. Grill from behind. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next video.